Hello, food lovers! Today we are heading to South India. Where are we going? To the world of delicious masala dosa. Imagine a crispy golden crepe filled with spicy potato masala. This is masala dosa, South India's favorite. Without chutney, masala dosa is incomplete. Tangy and tasty chutney, perfect with dosa. We will make two chutneys, coconut chutney and tomato chutney. Get ready to impress your family and friends. This recipe guide will make you an expert in making masala dosa and chutney. Let's start our culinary adventure. Are you excited? I am very excited. Let's gather the ingredients. Before we start cooking, let's gather the ingredients. For the dosa batter, rice, 2 cups, urad dal, split black gram, half a cup, fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon salt, to taste, water, as needed. For the masala filling, potatoes, 3 to 4, boiled and mashed, onions, 2, finely chopped, green chilies, 2 to 3, finely chopped, mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon, curry leaves, a handful, turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, oil, 2 tablespoons, salt, to taste. For the coconut chutney, grated coconut, 1 cup, roasted chana dal, potuka dalai, 2 tablespoons, green chilies, 2 to 3, ginger, a small piece, water, as needed, salt, to taste. For the tomato chutney, tomatoes, 2 to 3, chopped, onion, 1, chopped, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, oil, 1 tablespoon, mustard seeds, half a teaspoon, curry leaves, a few, tamarind paste, 1 teaspoon, jaggery, 1 teaspoon, optional, salt, to taste. Now that we have everything, let's start cooking. First, we will make the dosa batter. Soak rice and urad dal with fenugreek seeds for 4 to 5 hours. Then grind it to make a smooth batter. Add salt and let it ferment overnight. Now, let's make the masala filling. Heat oil. Add mustard seeds and curry leaves. Then, add onions and green chilies. Sauté until golden brown. Add turmeric powder, mashed potatoes, and salt. Mix well. Cook for 5 minutes. Your masala filling is ready. Let's make coconut chutney. Grind grated coconut, roasted chana dal, green chilies, ginger, and salt. Add water to make a smooth paste. Your coconut chutney is ready. For tomato chutney, heat oil. Add mustard seeds and curry leaves. Add chopped onions and green chilies. Sauté until translucent. Add chopped tomatoes, red chili powder, and salt. Cook until tomatoes become soft. Add tamarind paste and jaggery. Cook for a few more minutes. Your tomato chutney is ready. Finally, let's make the dosa. Heat a non-stick tawa. Sprinkle some water. Wipe it clean. Pour a ladle of batter on the tawa. Spread it in a circular motion. Drizzle oil around the edges. Cook until golden brown and crispy. Flip and cook on the other side. Place a spoonful of masala filling on one side. Fold the dosa. Serve hot with coconut chutney and tomato chutney. Enjoy your delicious masala dosa. Making dosa comes with practice. If your first few dosas aren't perfect, don't worry. One tip? Use a heavy-bottomed tawa for even heat distribution. This will give you crispy dosas. Congratulations! You've made masala dosa and chutney. Now enjoy your homemade dish. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. So put on your chef's hat and get started. Enjoy the delicious flavors of South India.